Well, what's going on, everybody? How you doing out there today? Okay, this is gonna be fun. Anyway, trying to clean up from this last job we had, because tomorrow we got another job. And I can't have this on here. Oh, brother. You know, these chamber pots used to be worth some money, but I don't think that one's gonna make it. Oh, that's just wire. Right in the arm. Ow. Oh. Oh, that hurts. Okay. Any value to these things? Watt-hour meter. Better look at it first. I thought we had a lot more metal than this. No idea what the hell that is. Like there was a big box of copper. Ooh, uh-oh. Look at those. Oh, that's a score. Vintage hooks. Coat hooks like that. We got 6, 7 of them. That's a nice little score. Poles. Look at how ornate those are. That's money too. All right, everybody, still at $60 in that ton. We had a whopping 440 pounds for $13.20, and we got about a half a 5-gallon bucket of brass and copper bits out of there. So someday I'll take them in when I get it all sorted. But hey, you know what? It's a bonus on top of the 800 we got paid for that whole job. So it is what it is. All right, everybody, we are back from the scrapyard, and these hooks that we just looked at, there are 7 of them there. They got some patina on them, some paint. I'm asking 20 bucks for those on eBay. These little metal handles here, I took them to the wire wheel, and you kind of see the metal details there. And I'm asking $14.99 for those. And then these 2 plates, these 2 door plates, which I found earlier on when we were cleaning out that same house. Yeah, I'm asking 20 bucks for those. So all in all, about $20, $40, $55 worth of hardware that we're selling, and hopefully they go pretty good. What's going on, everybody? How's it going out there this fine day? We are back here at the landfill, and we're going to empty out this truck because we got a job this afternoon. So here we go, and I forgot my GoPro, so we're going to be doing this the old school way. All right, where's it going?
Going right corner.
Right corner. Okay, here we go. Oh, beautiful. Let me show James how this is done here real quick.
Little shatter, little.
A little.
We need more shatter out of you.
All right, I just gotta say one thing. When Albert packed this truck, he packed it way too much, Albert.
All right. Unbelievable. It was $68.
Whoa.
So almost.
That's 2 tons.
Yeah, almost 2 tons.
No, it has to be 30. Oh yeah, almost. Yeah.
I'm just shy of 2 tons.
Dang, Albert, what are you doing?
3780. 3780 was the weight.
Albert, you overpacked my truck, man. Stop doing that.
Everything
Hi
you need
there.
to know.
All right, I'm Shane. This is James.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Okay, yeah, well, that's no
Stuff
problem.
up there. Jimmy, do you see any reason?
No.
No. Okay.
So everything in the rack there.
Yeah, everything.
Oh, a harp. Do you play the harp?
Yeah, not
Wow.
very well. Mostly the flute. Okay. Brown boxes. They go.
Brown boxes. They go.
Anything that's in those shelves stays,
Roger
but
that.
everything else basically goes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Pretty straightforward.
Yeah.
All right, we'll get started on it. All right, let's get this party started. You want the stuff from the rafters first? Is that what you said?
Yeah, we're gonna do the rafters first.
All right. Wish I had my headgear on, but you guys get the idea. So I'll show you what this is like when we're all done. Well, all right, everybody. That is the cardboard from the other day, and a piece of drywall, but mostly cardboard. Yeah, so there's some metal behind it from a previous job I got to get out. I got to get this monitor off, this computer off, and then I'm going to load up as much metal as I can in about a half hour. Anyway, we got a job this morning, so let's get to it. This is so heavy, guys. Now that my TV guy is no longer coming around, Ryan, I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with all these monitors and stuff. All right, well, I got some stuff on here, but I'm already starting to run out of time. I gotta get over to the scrapyard at 8 to get over to Bettendorf by 10. But I gotta get this copper out of here too. There we go. That, I know it's disgusting looking, but if I could clean that up enough, I could resell that. Come on there. What the heck are you holding up on? Some of this metal I got from my buddy Kenny. He drops it off from time to time. All right, everybody. There goes my alarm. I got to get out of here. Means it's 8 o'clock, so there you go. That's all we're gonna take with us today. I gotta hustle. Hey everybody, welcome back to the scrapyard. All right, that's it. We had 720 pounds for 2160. So again, $60 in that ton. I know that's terrible right now, but we'll take it. Now let's go get paid at a bigger job.
Like I said, you power that makes sense.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, I went to the scrapyard this morning, got rid of that stuff.
That's good.
Yeah. So this is your mom's place then?
It was my mom's place, yeah.
Okay.
She passed at the end of March.
Oh, I'm
so-
sorry.
Oh, yeah. No, it's okay. She was sick for a while, and she was 88 years old, so
Oh,
she
wow.
had a pretty good life. Yeah.
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 That's gorgeous. One more. But it might be a box spring winner, I'm not sure. This should be it for beds.
You got it covered.
I know. Got it? Yeah, I can do that one, okay. Okay. I think I might keep this in my house for my toy.
Yeah, you have to sit down. There. Oh, there we go.
Oh, that's right. I want this chair to go too. All right, I think we got two bigger pieces that we're gonna need to do together. Oh yeah, the plant. That's
I
right.
think it's actually light.
Yeah, yeah. Good
Yeah,
idea.
it's super light. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
See if I can grab it from down here. There you go. Question is, do we take it out that door or do we take it?
No, we'll take it right here to the
All right.
deck edge. Oh, right there. Okay, let go.
You sure?
Yeah.
No, just hold the door. I think I got it. Oh, we're good.
We're good? Cool.
Okay.
Easy. Oh, there we go.
All right.
Okay, you doing all right?
Doing okay. Yeah. Okay.
Got it?
Right there.
Okay.
Doing all right?
Yeah. It's pretty. Once it's on the wheels, it's pretty light.
Yeah. It's not, yeah. It's just awkward.
Yeah.
But...
Oops.
You ready?
Yep. How about that plant? Want that plant?
What about the plant?
That'll look good in your house. No, okay, man. I'm just trying to help.
Help what? I'm trying to get rid of stuff.
Help my dump bill.
We can get rid of some stuff. We're not going down.
Hey guys, I have a real quick video I want to show you here. This is a job that I got a call on a few weeks ago. I filmed it while I was there. I bid it, and then I didn't hear back from this woman at all. I thought maybe I had overbid it or whatever. You'll notice in the garage here, it looks like there's some antique wagons on the bottom of the pile. I see some antique TV trays, a couple 10-speed bikes, and some other goodies in this pile. And then she takes me downstairs to the basement. There's a TV and a folding pool table we need to get out of there. But then at the very end, I see a box of Tonkas. So I made a deal with this lady. I'm going to get the box of Tonkas and take the rest of it for $200. I think there's a lot of good resale items in that pile. So I can't wait to do that. That'll probably be one of our upcoming videos, 2 videos from now. And the other thing I want to talk about is we have our auction on Thursday, this coming Thursday at 7 o'clock Central Time. So if you go to ShaneManTV.com, click on Whatnot, it'll take you to the auction. So otherwise, I'll be probably filming it again and doing another video about that. But anyway, guys, a lot of good stuff coming up. So hey, thanks a lot for joining in. Take care of yourselves. Be safe out there. Love you very much, and just be safe and take care of one another. See you soon. Bye-bye.